redcoats are coming! The redcoats are coming!
Sammy Prescott, is that you, buddy?
Israel, out on the town again tonight?
Hey, buddy, somebody's gotta be. I mean, I haven't seen Boston this dead since our Sons of Liberty initiation party.
We'll come to arms. Did you not hear the alarm just now? The redcoats are coming.
That was just a drill, Sammy boy. I mean, Jesus, William, and Mary, I'd think you'd be used to those by now.
Right.
Listen, why don't you head back inside and grab some shut-eye, huh? It looks like you need it, buddy. I'll talk to you later.
Hopefully arriving here in Boston this evening. We need someone to ride on up to Concord to spread the word across all of Middlesex. We can't let the British take Concord.
Well, didn't you get the memo?